morning, guys. It's just straight on blizzard outside. Yep. It's crazy out there. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. It's cray, cray. It's up to my knees. Look. Holy crap. Yes, I'm in my onesie. I'm trying to find my mother's flag that blew away. Okay, guys. So, I am going to edit the vlog now and get it done. Then I'm going to set up my HD PVR. Then I'm going to clean my room some because I might do a face cam. I just might. So, yeah. Because one of my friends was telling me that when I do it to do the face cam. So, I think I may. But I think I'm gonna try the new Enslate, but I think I might make a new one too. Like I'm gonna make another one after this because this is it's like a winter kind of thing. Like it has like the snowflakes and stuff like that, so it's for winter. Obviously you guys will know if you watched the video yesterday that I'm putting up today. Whatever. This still confuses me. Okay. Anyway, yesterday's video. If you watch it to the end. Let me know if you liked the Enslate or not. I kind of just did it fast. I wasn't 100% sure what I was doing, but I ended up making it into a video, which was good. I made it in PowerPoint 2010. I don't have it on my big computer. I have it on my dad's laptop, so it was kind of aggravating trying to do it, because I only have 2007, and you need 2010 or 2013 PowerPoint in order to actually do, like, to save it as a video and stuff like that, I think, and to do the different stuffs that I did. But anyway, I'm gonna do the vlog, get that done, set up my HD PVR, clean my room, make my bed, because I'll be sitting here in this chair, so I want my bed to look nice and not slept in. Okay, so I haven't started the vlog yet, because after I ended that thing, my cousin told me that the town is flooded, and I never told you guys this before, but our town, the way it is, the bottom of our town was kind of made on water, so it's not, I don't think it was actually there, but I guess it's all flooded, so I want to show you guys the pictures and stuff. I'm going to see if I can save them first, and I'll just put them after this. But if I can't save them, then I'll just show you with my phone. Okay guys, so this is kind of like my Enslate. It didn't work for my video. I had to go back and try and resize it. But this is it. Oh, I have to click it the whole way through? Shoot. Let me try this again, hold on. I don't know, do you guys like it? If you like it, I'll use it. I just gotta figure out how to get it to the right size again. To the size so that when I put it in my editor, it will go full screen, because if it doesn't go full screen, I can't use it. So yeah, that is about it. So I'm chilling in my onesie, I'm chilling in my onesie. I really wish I had a corn on the cob onesie, because then I could be like, corny onesie. Anyway, yeah. But I finished the recording of the Minecraft thing. I'm gonna edit it probably later. I also need to upload the vlog. I edited it, but I forgot to upload it. So I'm probably gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna work on the end slate again, because I finally found the video to how to make the video right so that it will fit to YouTube standards and it will fit in my editor properly. So yeah, I'm gonna do that after I upload the vlog. And I made one of the hangers on my Minecraft thing, and it looks really, really awesome. Yeah. That was yummy. We had breakfast for supper. I really wanted chicken, but we didn't have time to unthaw it. I'm waiting to see if my dad comes out. He's going to plow the driveway, and he's supposed to be wearing the new coat I bought him for Christmas. But I don't think he's going to plow yet, so. But I'm going to show you all the snow drifts. We have so much snow. Like, look at this. It comes up to almost like the window. Like, if I sit my phone down. Yeah, like, that's ridiculous. It goes all the way down. Why is it not focusing? Focus. Stop focusing on the window. And then even over here, there's big ones. Over here. Where's my finger? Right here. And there's a bunch of snow on the doorstep, and I already cleaned that off forever ago. But look over here, like, right there. That's ridiculous. All along here is really, really deep too, because I walked in it. Crazy. That's my sister's car. But she's not here. My dad has her car. Crazy, crazy snow. Hey, so it's like 8 o'clock, and I'm cracking away at trying to get this freaking end slate to work. It's making me really mad that it doesn't want to work. But I'm trying. Hopefully it will work soon. Alright guys, it's 2 in the morning and I am beat. I was up till 5 in the morning yesterday. So I'm gonna head to bed. So remember, today is today and tomorrow's tomorrow, so live for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you guys later. Bye. Oh, I heard this morning my great-grandmother, she's still kicking around, but she's got a really, really strong heart, I have to say. But I mean, if she's anything like my grandmother, which was her daughter, she'll be here for another little while yet.